On the ground. On the ground. Why are you doing this? Let me see if she is.
I'm going home. I'm going home.
Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to search her real quick.
Oh.
No, we wrestled for a minute. And she almost got her handcuffs off.
I'm going home.
No, you're not. All right, stand up.
I'm going home.
All right, stand up.
I'm going home. I'm going home.
No, stop.
I'm pushing.
There we go.